How do you calculate program runtime in Python? How do you calculate program runtime in Python?
You might want to take a look at the Timite module. This URL. Or the profile module. This URL. There are some nice tutorials here. This URL. This URL. And the time module also might come in handy, although I prefer the later two recommendations for benchmarking and profiling code performance. This URL.
See this. Python, time.clock versus time.time, accuracy. Josh Adele covered a lot of it, but if you just want to time the execution of an entire script, you can run it under time on a Unix-like system.
Quick alternative.
First hold it down, click the symbol again to stop it.